Hello students, this is my workshop. I have decided to go for a walk. Let's go out the back door. It is a pretty day outside. This is my backyard. It is all brick, but weeds are coming up between the bricks. These are my little chairs. I have a garden. We have garlic coming up. My rose bush doesn't have any roses yet. More garden. I don't know what that is. It may be butternut squash. This is my fence. There is my bowling ball. And there is my tuba. My tuba is dead. This is my little fireplace. Sometimes I will come out here, build a fire, and sit by the fire in the dark. There's my car, and this is Carport. These are iris. They have not got any flowers right now. When it was warm, they had flowers. Everything else has flowers. So let's walk up my little brick sidewalk. It's an evergreen tree. This is actually a pond. It's a frog pond. In the summer, frogs come here and brat, brat, brat all night. And I love to sit and listen to the frogs. Here's the side of my house. And I have plants here, all beside my house. This little stone wall. Big trees, lots of trees in my yard. This is my front yard. I don't like to mow the lawn, so I planted monkey grass everywhere. Monkey grass I don't have to cut. There's the front steps. And with brick, I don't have to mow the lawn, never mow the lawn, don't have a lawn. And I have this little picnic table, but the top of the table fell apart. It's so old, so the table needs work. We have just plants everywhere. So there's my front porch, and it looks like we have mail. I got some mail. So I go up the steps to the front door to my mailbox. And I don't care about that. I have a lot of wind chimes. around the house. My biggest wind chime was in a tree in the backyard, but that tree fell down, so that wind chime is smashed. And I usually plant flowers, have potted flowers in the summer. So let's go down the front steps. That is the house that burned down a few months ago. They haven't removed it yet. And there's an old house. Not as old as mine, but almost. My house was built in 1910. That house was built in 1911. It's a pretty old neighborhood. And I'm a pretty old person. So we'll walk up the street. These are my neighbors' houses. That is a tiny little greenhouse. And beside it is a big two-story red house. And a little old blue house. A car is going by. This house has lots of bamboo. There's a refrigerator from the house that burned down. And the house still has a cat. And all of that is bamboo. And a dumpster. Bushes. Vines growing up the tree. It's a pretty day. The rain has stopped. Back there in that forest is my house. Well, time to go home. .100 South Schiller Street is my address. There's wind chimes. Everywhere wind chimes. Wind chimes from Europe, wind chimes from Asia, wind chimes from the junk store. And there, I put a ceiling fan on my front porch. It's kind of sad. Maybe I should take that ceiling fan down someday. Well, time to go home. Bye-bye.